Divas, I have something new for you. I received this package in the mail today. I must have ordered it, but look, it's in a triangular box. I do not know many items that come in a triangular box. Actually, I don't know any offhand. I believe I did order it because I like to order anything that's novel. And we shall see. Let's see what's in this thing. Let's see what's in this thing. I guess I need a scissors or some such. Maybe. See if I can open it up down here. Let's see. What's in here? Something in a... Ooh, goodies. Goodies. Oh, and more goodies. And more goodies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is such a cool thing. Yes, I did order this. I ordered off of Etsy. Oh, a stress ball. Everyone loves a stress ball. Let's see. Pardon the crinkle for a second. Ooh. Ooh, I love it. I can take it to work with me and squeeze it when I'm frustrated, right? It's kind of cool. Because you can pop these things in like you can, and then... I think the noise might drive the other girls nuts, but we'll see. Ooh! Organic gummy bears. That's neat. Black Forest. That's neat. I like that. Thank you so much. And another goodie. An aloe. An aloe mask. Nice. I guess I should be holding it this way instead. Yeah. An aloe mask. That's fun. And this says, to Wanda. Let's see. Neat. I love the branding. I see that on their package as well. True Artist Diamond Painting. I imagine these are her own designs. This is... that's cool. A little cling sticker. And a little bit about the artist. This is cool. I also got a sticker of what I bought. So we'll look at that in a minute. I do not know that I can pronounce her name. It's Mana. I'm not going to attempt to butcher her last name here. She's an artist originally from Thailand who is now pursuing her dream of creating vivid digital illustrations in America. She loves painting moments that tell a story and often convey reflection and tranquility with the use of rich colors and subtle ambient lighting. She's delighted to have her art transformed into the interactive experience that is officially licensed diamond painting kits. And it gives her, the artist's, social media links as well. This one says, thank you for purchasing a True Artist diamond painting. And that is the Etsy name of her store, True Artist Diamond Painting. Committed to bringing you unique diamond painting kits that feature exclusively licensed art, ensure that our artists are paid for their work. We hope that every drill you place, you find joy and fulfillment, along with peace of mind, who are also supporting the artists who are proud to share their work with you. That's neat. I applaud you for that. I applaud that. All right, so thank you for all the goodies. Thank you for that. Thank you for licensing your artist so that I can buy from you and I can show it off online. There's a little sleeve that says the same thing. Pink and red hearts. nicely packaged in tissue paper and rolled. Let's not get the tissue paper in my tea. Let's try not to do that. Ooh. Soft canvas. Nice and soft canvas. Beautiful. Poured glue for sure. Look how big this, can you see how big the symbol key is? Nice and clear. Oh my gosh, I don't have my glasses on and I can read it. 29 colors. Ooh. I'm going to turn this around a moment so you can see. I apologize for these trucks. They're just driving me crazy. Okay, if I'm going to use my phone, I know I need to have more space on my table. Because this is pretty close up. Probably isn't tall enough. But anyway, this is an angel. And it's a full drill. Let's check out the sticky. Oh, yeah, I like the sticky. That's fine. Yeah. And let me show you what the picture is supposed to be like. Oops. I'm going to show it to both cameras here so that I can... Okay. See that? It's an angel. Almost like one that would be on top of a fountain or on top of a gravestone. And these are the drills. They are round. They're pre-bagged, which is awesome. This is the name of the kit. And it's 40 by 48. It's not a giant one. I cannot play the giant ones anymore lately. Kind of going a bit backwards. Let's see what's on the drills as far as... Okay. Alright, they are not... They still have a tiny little dimple in the bottom, so they're not resin drills. They are acrylic drills, which is fine. I don't see a whole lot of trash in them. That will remain to be seen when I actually do them. Alright. This, I believe, is the... Yep, that's the DMC number, the big 890 on it. It's the DMC color number. And the kit number. That's great. That's really great. And all 29 colors are here. Ooh! It's purples, greens, and like a mint color. There's a few blues in there. A few grays. That's going to be beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm kind of doing this backwards, aren't I? Usually I show you the kit first. This is the kit that comes with it. A little silicone bag. A Masva boat. That's just the name of the boat. And again, the trays seem to be coming with a little bend in it. I don't know why. But that sort of pops up the drills, and I really don't... I like the flat trays. The Masva ones aren't coming really well with that. You get a one-placer pen, a blue one, and you get pink wax. 2 little squares of pink wax. That's all you need. That's everything you need for a kit like this. That's all you need. So thank you, thank you. I look forward to doing this. I think along with my classes, I start my classes in February. I think along with teaching classes, I'd like to videotape them, and I'd like to show you the classes. At least I won't have this traffic going on behind it. Yeah, I'd like to videotape the classes and like work on something. I could either work on this, or what I kind of want to do though is go back in my stash, go back to the ones I've had the longest, which were 2019. And I want to go back and grab those, and if there's 3 of them left from that time period. Three of them left from that time period that I want to go back and do. So I'll probably be pulling those out to do with my classmates who are coming up. All right, that's one of the things I need to do, is to get ready for my classes. I'm going to be pulling out all of the kits, the simple kits like this, and putting, since it's a beginner's class to begin with, beginners to begin with. Yeah. So I'm going to be pulling all those kits out and pairing them up with the ones I'm giving away at the class. There's a little, I'm asking for a small fee for materials fee, and that will be for their kit. So they'll have a kit on day 1 they can pick from. Okay. Well, I'm looking forward to doing this one and doing others with you. And in a video to come, I think I'm going to be doing my planners. I'm going to be videotaping my planners and seeing how that comes out. And there's a project that I need your help with, divas. I need your input. My faithful gals here. It's a major, major undertaking, and it's, well, I'm going to need your input. I'm going to need your advice, your wisdom, and your encouragement to help me through it, because it won't be easy. All right, well, more on that later, when I get the courage to actually put it on screen. I taped part of it, but I need to put some of it on screen, so we shall see. All right, divas, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate every single one of you. I thank you for watching the videos. I thank you for clicking like. I thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to enter the giveaways by filling out the giveaway questionnaire. That's down in the members box, down in the description box. It's member questionnaire giveaway for the giveaway. And emailing them back to me at wandasworkbasket@gmail.com. And yeah, then you'll be entered into the next giveaway, which will be in March. And I'll show you that coming up. All right, thanks for hanging out with me today. Bye, divas. Bye-bye.